Hello, everybody. Oh my God, it's cold out here. It is 35 degrees. It's freezing out here. We got about a quarter inch of snow so far. Yeah, thank you, because tomorrow I got to go to my doctor's. So you can't see the mountains. Over there, you can't go back. But over there, that's where it's all coming from. Anyway, I just wanted to say hello to y'all. It's cold. I'm gonna do a live soon. I'm gonna do a live test tasting treats, and I hope y'all can be there. Not really sure. I think maybe what's today? Today is Tuesday. Maybe Thursday, depending on if we don't get stuck in Kingman tomorrow, because I gotta go to my doctor's. Yay. The only reason I'm going to go is because I got to pick up a couple of medicines. But yeah, taste testing. I'm going to do either Ukraine candies or my Japanese candies. I'm not sure. Treats, snacks, whatever you want to call them. I also have like dollar store snacks. So there's 3 videos there that I'd like to get out to y'all. So anyway, I hope y'all stay safe. Stay you, stay strong, don't ever change for anybody, and I love you all. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Ciao, bellas. Oops. I know it's dark in here. But look at her. Look at her. My baby's sleeping. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.